video, I'll show you how to connect your calendar. The first thing you want to do is ensure that you're on your dashboard. On the right hand side, you'll see the option to connect your calendar. One thing to note is that this option will only be available and visible to admin or enhanced users. Users with limited profiles will not have this option. Another way to connect your calendar is by navigating to your profile, view your profile, navigate to calendar integration, and then find the two options, Google and Outlook. Our provider is Google, so I'll go ahead and proceed with them. Select my email account and continue. And just like that, our calendar is all set up. It's just as easy to disconnect. Please note that if you were to disconnect your calendar, that you won't be able to view any upcoming interviews nor record them. So at this time, we'll go ahead and cancel. Let's go ahead and navigate back to your dashboard. And so now you can see, once your calendar's integrated and connected, you'll be able to see your upcoming schedule. Any detection logic that you provide will automatically be picked up and ticked with a blue check mark to record. If you choose not to record, you can deselect this, and it's just as easy as that. I hope this was a great and helpful walkthrough guide for you on getting your calendar connected. Thank you.